Hi, Nivisha.
Yeah, hi, how are you?
Yeah, I'm great. Thank you for asking. I saw your video. You are doing a fantastic job.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, I'm not that much of active on because I don't know. I nowadays I'm feeling not good for taking session, especially.
Why?
I don't know. Sometimes I feel and like I'm not improving or like that. I don't know why.
Oh my God, but I don't think that you are already speaking fluently. Then how could you think like that?
I don't know.
You
That's
have to
my
speak daily because you are already on your track and you have to just polish your skill. That's it.
Hmm. Yes, yes,
Yeah.
yes. But I think this is the process. Sometimes we feel demotivate ourselves. Maybe it's not a
So
big deal.
definitely, because I always do the same because I always think like I'm not improving, but still, what I do, I always try. I never leave it behind. I always
Yeah,
try.
I saw the video with I think Nan Gopal sir.
Yes, yes.
Okay, so are you taking class from English Yari?
No, it was my demo class, and I'm going to subscribe for English. Yeah, it's very soon.
Yeah, I'm same. Actually, I also planning for the join English Yari for the practice only because maybe nowadays I'm feeling nervous to taking a session. So maybe it will good for me because
Yeah,
it's a practice
definitely.
over the video call.
Yes, yes, definitely. Because they are tutors, and from tutors we will get to know about so many things, right? So
Hmm.
yeah, it's going to help us.
Yes, yes. So how long have you been using this application, this like learning this language?
It's been, I can say, 4 months, 3 or 4 months.
I think same. My it's been 4 months only. Like
Okay.
yeah, and that time I installed CB application for the learning this language.
Oh, CV application, right?
Hmm.
Okay. But I was using initially I was using Ace Fluency application, so that we could make audio calls and we could talk with the strangers. But it was not that much smoothly. So I quit that. Then later on, I decided to work on communication just with the help of
Okay,
YouTube.
the application is much better.
Yeah, I'm not blaming the Ace Fluency app, but my problem is that whenever I was trying to talk over this application, I don't know what was happening. Maybe it is because of the network issue. I was not able to hear from the opposite person, and the same was feeling by the next person as well. They are not able to hear from my side. So it was happening again and again, each and every day. So that's why I quit from the.
Okay.
Yeah.
Maybe yes.
Mhm. Okay.
Okay.
So,
Oh,
would you mind to introduce yourself, please?
yeah, sure, sure.
Yeah, please go ahead.
Okay, are you talking about? I want to
Yeah, yeah,
introduce
yeah,
myself.
yeah.
Okay, okay. Okay, okay. Okay, as you know, my name is Poonam Best and I'm a homemaker and I'm a proud mother of one son and Sam. I'm living Uttarakhand, Dehradun. And I nowadays I'm learning this language. I want to more confident on this language so I can help others too. And simultaneously, I run my YouTube channel, Unmute Yourself, and where I upload my short videos and conversation videos.
Do you want me to introduce myself as well?
Yeah, surely.
Yeah, sure. My name is Nimisha Deepu, and I come from Kerala, but currently speaking to you from Bihar because for the last 5 years I have been working here as a teacher. I'm a teacher of social studies, and for the last few months I try to learn English because I know what are the benefits I'm going to get out of this. And
Yes.
for the same purpose, nowadays I run a YouTube channel. Its name is DN Edubest. Nowadays, I upload conversational videos on my YouTube channel. That's all about
Yeah.
me.
Very nice introduction, I must say. Okay, I want to ask one question. Your channel name is DN Edubest, right?
Edubest. Yeah, DN Edubest.
the meaning?
Actually, DN means D stands for Deepu, which is the name of my husband, and N stands for
Okay.
Nimisha, which is my name, and Edubest
Nice.
means education's edu and best.
Hmm.
Initially,
Okay.
because I created this channel 2 years back, I think, yeah, 2 years, approximately 2 years back. And that time I was uploading some videos which are related to the competitive exams. So it was mainly focusing on competitive exams. So that time I created this for that purpose. But after Corona, it was the Corona time, I think. Yeah. So after
Okay.
Corona, when I rejoined here, that time it was bit difficult for me to balance or to maintain all these things together. So I quit
Mhm.
YouTube because I can't quit my job. So I quit YouTube and
Okay.
yeah. And for the, I think since January, I was thinking about my communication skills because I mean, I want to improve my communication skills so I
Mhm.
could get better opportunities in my life. Uh, because everybody wants to grow in our career, right? So later on, I decided to work upon my communication skills, and in that sense, I restarted my YouTube channel. So it's with English. And
Mhm.
initially, I was uploading some solo videos, but it was also not. I mean, it's not my cup of tea because making solo videos for that we have to be very prepared, right?
Mhm.
We have
Mhm.
to be very prepared, and
True.
the script writing and by hearting or just going through the script, it's a big task for me. I'm not able to do that. So later on, I decided to make conversational videos with the co-learners so that I could
Mm.
improve.
It's quite
So
easy and real
yeah.
talk, and we have to just
Mm.
conversation, and we have to exchange our thoughts and only that. But it's come to editing part, so it's quite monotonous task for me.
Which one? The conversational
Editing
video.
part.
Eh,
No, no,
eh,
no. Editing part.
No, I'm asking about the editing part of which type of video? Conversational videos or solo?
Conversation video, yeah. Not
Okay.
solo.
So
Conversation videos quite.
you're doing the editing work of your videos.
Yes.
Okay, okay. But I am absolutely free when it comes to the editing part because all the editing works are doing by my husband.
Okay, I must say
I had to
yes.
make the video, that's it.
You are blessed.
Yeah. In
Hmm.
every sense, I am blessed when it comes to my husband. He is super supportive.
Yeah, actually, when I watch your videos, so that time editing part is quite attractive. And I want to ask which app you use for the editing part. So I think yeah, one of video I watch, I think that video you mentioned, you are using Canva app
Yes,
application.
yes, yes.
Yes.
Yeah.
So my answer is already on that video.
Yeah, he's using
Quite
Canva application.
attractive. Hmm.
Sorry?
Editing part is quite attractive.
Yeah, thank you.
Yes, because your
It's not my
I,
skill. It's his skill.
I want to learn from your husband, I think, for the special editing part. Yes.
Yeah, and, and because he is a computer teacher and he knows everything about the technology. So in
Hmm.
that sense, I'm
I think
super
I
blessed.
was also a computer teacher, but I'm not very much friendly because I quit my job during the COVID.
Okay.
I was an IT teacher initially, but I quit my job during the COVID, and I got opportunity to work from home. So I joined it
Okay.
because I have a son, so I have to manage all things. So I got chance and I joined that. It was completely work from home and night shift. Recently, I quit my job for my son. Actually, my son in class 10th now. So I
Okay.
think
Oh,
I have
your
to.
son is in 10th standard. Oh my
Yes, yes.
God. I thought he might be a very small kid.
No, no, my son in class 10. So I feel no, I
Okay.
have to give some time to him because
Yeah.
it is very crucial period for him.
Yes, yes,
So
definitely.
that's why
You
I
have to pay
quit my
attention. Yeah.
Mhm. Mhm.
Mhm.
Yeah, but
Okay.
I'm not that much of no technical. I need to learn some editing part.
Yeah.
Mm. Yes.
Okay. So. Next, I think you are from Uttarakhand, right? You have already
Yes.
mentioned it. Okay,
Mhm.
so but I have never been to Uttarakhand, but I would love to visit Uttarakhand because it's the very picturesque place and all the places are. I think this is a hill station, right? Yeah.
Yes, true.
Okay.
Correct.
So how? Tell me something about your native place, Uttarakhand.
Uttarakhand is like a Devbhoomi. I think you
Yeah.
heard about it,
Yeah,
Kedarnath, or
definitely.
it's quite very peaceful, and I love my, I love my Uttarakhand and hometown. Like I want to live here because I used to live in Delhi. I shifted here
Oh,
1 year ago. Yes,
okay.
only 1 year. Yeah, I used to
So
live
it
in Delhi.
means whether it means that your native place is Delhi?
No, no, no. It's Uttarakhand only. But when I was in class seventh, that time my parents shifted there. And
Okay.
after my college and my marriage, all things are there. But
Okay.
1 year ago, my husband and me, no, decide to shift here because Delhi is now overcrowded, overpolluted. So we
Hmm.
have decided to no shift here, and we have to plan some business or like that. So only for the climate reason.
Yeah, I can remember that because you were already mentioned this in any of the video, right? I don't know whose channel it was, but I have already heard it. But now I got remember. Yeah, okay.
Yes,
So
yes,
you
yes,
like to live in Uttarakhand, and it is a new house, right? You
yes,
recently
yes.
bought it.
Mhm.
Okay.
So it's very, peaceful or weather like it has been raining since 4 5 days, so it's quite pleasant weather here.
But I think it's not moderate climate, right? Is it very
Hmm.
moderate or extreme?
Not extreme. It's like good.
Okay. But in
Hmm.
winter, it might be very extreme.
Because no, it's not here. It's not a fog. Like every day, sun will rise every day.
Okay. Okay.
Hmm.
Okay. I would love to visit Uttarakhand once because we
Definitely,
want to visit Kedarnath.
just text me. I can
Yeah,
receive
sure.
you. You are
Sure,
welcome.
sure. Hmm.
And Ati Deva Bhav, so you can come anytime.
Okay, but I think okay. The sorry, Uttarakhand is always facing some natural calamities, right? Like landsliding, flood.
It is village side because I live in Dehradun. It is a village
Okay,
side, or yeah, it's a high hills or like that.
okay.
Yeah,
So
we have to avoid.
it's an urban area, I think, right?
Yes, yes. We have to avoid during the rainy season, especially.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Hmm. Okay, I want to ask one thing.
Yeah, sure.
About your culture because you are from the south side. So I want to ask, what festival are popular in your state?
In my state, I like to, I mean, the popular one, and I like to celebrate. There are two festivals. I mean, Onam,
Okay.
which is a harvest festival, and Vishu. Yeah, these are the two main festivals or popular festivals in Kerala. Onam, I can say Onam.
Okay.
Yeah,
Yeah, I heard it. I never celebrate.
it's a
Like
10
I don't
days.
know.
This festival we are celebrating this festival for 10 days.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah,
Okay.
and
Mm.
during Onam, we are decorating a house. I mean, especially the garden, or not garden, the front side of our home. We are always decorating not a decoration. I can say that rangoli. We are making
Okay.
rangoli with flowers, but it's
Okay. With
it's
flower.
yeah. Uh,
Mm.
yeah, during these days, we are making rangoli with flowers, with different colorful flowers. So, in some sense, I can say it's a festival of flowers as well, because this flowers that time there is a huge increase in the price of flowers because all the Keralites buy flowers just to make rangolis at the front door of our house, and it's a festival which we are welcoming the king. His name is Maveli. Have you heard about it? I mean him.
No. No, no,
Maveli,
no.
and we are welcoming Maveli. And Maveli was, I can say, such a honest king, and he was like some devata, but he does not belong to that group. But still, he
Okay.
was famous for his honesty and the love towards his people and country. And but I think you might have heard about this history. In Purana, we have learned that sometimes Lord Mahavishnu came into
Mhm.
the avatar of a Brahmin boy, and he asked
Mhm.
for three steps of soil or land. Yeah, in the first step, he measured all the swarga, I mean heaven, and next one all the earth, and third one there
Mhm.
was not any space where he could keep his feet, so that the Mavili
Mhm.
himself showed his own I mean head, and after that
Mhm.
he measured all the what I can say, the in Hindi or Malayalam, we are saying that padal. I mean the ground path of the earth. So
Okay.
in that sense, that time he asked for one thing only, and that is yearly he has to. I mean, he want to visit his people yearly once. So Lord Mahavishnu allowed for that, and it is we are believing that yearly once Mahaveli comes to visit his people. So in that
Hmm.
sense, we are celebrating Onam, and we can, in some sense, we can say that it's a festival of harvest as well.
Hmm. Nice. Okay. One of question because you live in Bihar, right?
Yes,
If
yes.
I'm not wrong. Okay. So
Yeah.
how is life different in the south and north, in your
There
opinion?
are a lot of differences, especially at first I can say it's all about climate, because I'm a person who cannot tolerate extreme climate. In Bihar, we all know that Bihar belongs
Mhm.
to the northern plains, and in northern plains the climate is very extreme. So in summer it's okay, somehow I am able to tolerate, but when it comes to the winter season, I'm not able to tolerate the cold, because in Kerala we don't have such kind of climate even in winter.
Okay.
It's
Mhm.
something like a moderate one. So
Mhm.
in during winter we have to turn on the fan, somehow we have to turn on the cooler. That's how the
Mhm.
climate of Kerala, especially in my district.